बहुत सारी चीजों की तरफ इशारा करता है। ये फैसला इशारा करता है कि
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Galu. Morning. I just want to take attendance of Pratyush of 11A. Is he present? Has he logged in? Pratyush, 11A. If you have logged in, please reply. Pratyush hasn't come? Okay, Pulkit, 11B. Are you present? Okay. Take your semester exam and if you are not serious about everyday regular academic development.
Ma'am, your audio is not clear.
Your voice is not clear.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is not
Very
coming
much.
clearly.
Discontinue.
Ma'am, can you change your network, please?
Okay, okay. Now, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not clearly, ma'am.
Your voice is not clear. Okay. I have changed the network, so all of you have logged in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to know the attendance of Pratyush, class 11A, and Pulkit, class 11B. Both of you have logged in. Let me remind all of you that very soon you will have to give your first semester exam. So your preparation and everyday learning is very important. Take your exam seriously. Coming back to the topic that we were discussing.
When will you
नहीं आ रही है।
आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
No, ma'am.
क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
Your voice is coming but not clearly.
If you all stop talking, you will definitely hear me. Now, am I audible, clearly audible to all of you?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I don't know where like the problem. Yeah. Muted. Let's see. Okay, I'm just attaching the earphone. If you may get the sound from there. We'll proceed with the story right now to complete the story. And meanwhile, all of you, please start logging in fast. Okay? Just have a quick recap of what we have learned right now. Quick recap of what we have learned right now. Story rest that narrator is going to Mrs. Darling's house and she gets a very cold welcome over there. Rather the narrator failed to being recognized by Mrs. Darling. So what is she doing? It was in the morning time that when she is returning back from the train, she is very much upset at the sight of the streets and houses full of memories of the previous time. She is very much upset. She remembers the first time that she had seen Mrs. Darling, and from then onwards, वो flashback होता है, and then also she recollects how she was wearing a brown coat and a shapeless hat. Narrator here asks his mother how far does she live, and in this context, she gets an address. What is the address? Can anyone tell me? What is the address that the narrator gets from her mother?
And Marconi Street, number 46.
Number 46.
तुम लोग नाम भूल गए. मिसेस डॉर्लिंग भी लिखना होगा. मिसेस डॉर्लिंग, मार्कोनी स्ट्रीट, नंबर 46. But we also learned that initially narrator was
नहीं है.
yes. Initially
नहीं आ रहा है.
मैम अभी भी क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है साउंड.
हम क्लियर नहीं आ रहा.
let me try again, but every connection is clear at my end. I don't know why you are having problem. Therefore, let's see whether it works or not. Let us proceed. Narrator was reluctant to see the family's old belongings. She was initially not interested at all to visit it. Why? Can you hear me? Is my voice audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, not clearly, ma'am.
भी क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है.
Ma'am, it's clear from my side.
Not clear.
I have made all the this thing very clear.
मैम क्लियर है मैम. अब क्लियर है.
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
क्लियर है.
clear है.
अब क्लियर है मैम.
Yes,
clear.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
यस मैम बोलिए मैम.
Okay. So let me proceed. Yes, we were discussing about that why narrator was earlier reluctant to go to Mrs. Darling's house even after the war was over. Why she was not very interested to go? What was the reason why she waited for such a long time for the war to get over? And why she was even afraid to see the things. So afraid भी क्यों थी? What was the reason behind it? That she did not want to project herself or associate herself with those possessions with which once upon a time she was very much attached to it. The reason behind it is that how to see.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
मैम फिर से वही हाल हो गया. फिर से वही हाल. यस मैम.
Okay.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है.
मैम आई थिंक योर हेडफोन इज मैम आपका हेडफोन अच्छा नहीं है.
नहीं ऐसा बात नहीं है मैम. फिर से मैम मतलब फिर से करिए मैम लॉगिन, तब हो सकता है शायद अच्छा हो.
वीडियो भी पॉज हो गया.
यस मैम.
Okay. Let us proceed. Try to listen. From my side, all the network connections are okay. We are discussing. See, I am telling you the keywords.
Ma'am,
Use it in
सुनाई
the answer. Clear?
पूरा आवाज
Clear all of-
कट रहा है.
आवाज
No,
कट
ma'am.
रही है.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What should I do? Okay,
मैम
wait.
आप वीडियो बंद कर लीजिए, वैसे नेट का इशू सॉल्व हो जाएगा।
मैम ट्राई करिए ना, मैं वीडियो बंद कर।
मैम
शायद
आप
वीडियो
अपना वीडियो बंद कर लीजिए, उससे नेट का इशू रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा।
Okay, I have switched off the video. Let's see for some time. So
कुछ
what
सही
did
हो
we
रहा है।
notice? What did we notice? Please pay attention. Try to listen. She did not want to see their belongings, which was lying at Mrs. Darling's house. Why? In the boxes and cupboards, arranged in a fresh manner as it was arranged in her mother's time. To do that. Internally, she felt that doing that. Hey, तुम आपस में क्यों बात कर रहे हो? आपस में क्यों बात कर रहे हो? What did we notice that narrator was earlier not interested to go to Mrs. Darling's house. Why? Because somewhere she felt that she had to arrange those things, those possessions, those objects that were kept at Mrs. Darling's house. Why did she refuse to go? Why she was so reluctant to go? So she felt that those objects she will have to carry and arrange it in the manner in which her mother used to do it. But she was afraid. I'm using the term why she was afraid. She was afraid because she knew that arranging those things will make her nostalgic about the situation, about the past, about the memories that she has already forgotten or she has somewhere buried into deep down in her heart. So earlier she was not interested to go. As after the war, as her life became gradually normal, and again she became very curious to go and just to have a look. अब वो जाती है, फिर जाने के बाद what did she again visited to, so when she goes for the second time, she sees that Mrs. Darling is not at home, and this time she is welcomed by her own by her daughter. So she breaks open into the house with the entry that she was demanding. उन entry उसको मिल जाता है, and when she looks at those things, narrator is very much horrified to look all those things. That she also finds herself in the midst of their old belongings, very oppressed. वो अपने आप को tortured feel कर रही थी, as they were kept in a very strange surrounding and in a very strange manner, and it at all not gave motherly feeling as used to give once upon a time. That all the things even they arranged in a tasteless manner, those ugly furniture, those muggy smell, the tablecloth, the silver cutlery, and even the still life showing on the pewter tail plate, that were all showing still life. तो ये लाइफ को देख करके she is so much disturbed internally that she is not liking that atmosphere at all. She is feeling nostalgic about the things. So what is happening over here? What do we notice? Just a minute. Narrator's keen observation at Mrs. Darling's daughter. Now, as the story proceeds, narrator is making throughout inside the house, she is making a very keen observation. What is that keen observation? In that keen observation, what is she looking at? She's looking at all the things, even the tablecloth that once upon a time had a burnt mark, even those cutleries, those silver spoons, that tea was being poured from a white, you can say, cup. सबको वो देख रही है, सबको वो याद कर रही है, और सबको वो remember कर रही है how she had an association with those things. ठीक है? Everything, all these cutlery that belonged to the narrator's family. But perhaps the girl was not at all aware of the fact. Now this girl, the girl who showed this thing, she was not even aware of the fact. I remember in the previous class, I asked you, Hello. Let us proceed. The narrator also found a burn mark on the tablecloth. The narrator indirectly hinted to the girl. What did she hinted? That they missed those things either missing from the original place or have been taken or loaned by somebody. So here we find that the narrator is in deep shock, in deep dismay. What is the kind of dismay that she is having? What is the kind of feeling that she is having? That she is completely lost at looking at those things which she once upon a time or even now she is bearing so much of love, warmth and affection. और जब उसके मदर के साथ था तो she had so much of attachment with those possessiveness. She was having so much of possessiveness with those things. So वो that attachment she is not getting by looking at those things once again. Okay, now let us proceed. Somewhere I am not able to do the screen sharing, but I expect all of you to look into the book. But meanwhile, I will be completing the lines from here. Okay, all of you are having the book? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. In the previous class, in the previous class, where did I completed? Where did I summed up? Let me come back to that slide first. The narrator was, you only notice when something is missing because it has to be repaired or because you have lent it, for example. Narrator is telling to that girl that you notice something missing from your, you notice that something, कोई भी चीज visible हो जाता है, सामान कहाँ है? ये कब विजिबल होता है? ये तब विजिबल होता है जब वो मिसिंग होता है या तुम्हारे माइंड पिक्चर में होता है that it has been given to someone. So ये this is very important that the narrator says, and she is saying to her child, that is Mrs. Darling's daughter. Let us proceed. Again, I heard the unnatural sound of my voice, and I went on. I remember my mother once asked me if I would help her polish the silver. Now, as she is moving into the house, she hears some sound, some jingling sound. Again, she paused. Now, she recollects with that sound. She again recollects that sound she used to get when she was small and she visited her mother's house. When her mother cleaned those cutleries. So again, she recollects those sound, those similar and familiar sound, and she again gets nostalgic, and she remembers how her mother used to polish her, and at one occasion she also asked to polish those cutleries. She asked the narrator to polish those cutleries. However, in that time, narrator was sick. It was very long time ago, and I was probably bored that day, or perhaps I had no stay at home because I was ill, as she had never had before. Mother never asked her to wash or clean the cutleries, but it was that particular day that she decided to clean the cutleries. At that particular day, she was at home, maybe because she was getting bored, or maybe because she was sick. I asked her which silver she meant, and she replied, surprised, that it was the spoons, forks, and knives, of course, and that was the strange thing. I didn't know the cutlery we ate of every day was silver. यहाँ पर वो क्लियर होता है कि इतनी सारी कटलरी उसके घर में थी, वो सारे सिल्वर की थी. That day it was made clear by her. And this also she makes it clear to that child, that is Mrs. Darling's child. Okay. The girl laughed again. I bet you don't know it is either. I looked intently at her. The narrator is looking and taking a bet from that girl that even you did not know that the cutlery belonged to is of silver. I am sure even you did not know this. So she is asking it intentionally whether she knows the value of these antique pieces or not, or she is simply using it. What we eat with, she asked. Well, do you know? अच्छा, जिससे तुम लोग खाते हैं उसके बारे में तुम पूछ रही हो. She hesitated. She walked to the sideboard. ये तुम लोग को sideboard में ये dining hall में रखता है. वो साइड डिशेस रखने के लिए होता है. वहां तक वो जाती है साइड बोर्ड के पास and wanted to open a drawer, I will look, it is in here. So draw to खोलती है so that she could have shown all the cutleries. I jumped up. I was forgetting the time. I must catch my train. अचानक से narrator जो है so hysterical हो जाती है इस moment में, and she was not ready to listen, and she was not ready to see those cutleries that were kept in the box, and all of a sudden वो jump करती है that she is missing the time for the train. It is the time for the train and she must go. But here I will pause and I'll ask you कि जब वो drawer खोल करके वो सारे cutleries को दिखा रही है तो अचानक वो refuse क्यों करती है और इस तरह से वो hysterical manner में क्यों behave करती है that she is missing something? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me why she is missing something? Hey, you can see over here, the girl laughed again. You can see here, she hesitated. She walked to the sideboard and wanted to open a drawer. I will look, it is in here. वो बता रही है वो cutleries के बारे में. I jumped up and I was forgetting the time. I must catch my train. और वो तुरंत से अचानक उसी समय दिखाने के समय वो दिखा रही होती है कि वो अचानक से she jumps up. All this crockery and cutlery belong to the narrator's family. तो वो जान रही है that belong to the narrator's family. Perhaps the girl was not even aware of those facts. She of eating a dinner in those antique plates. The narrator also found all this arranged in a tasteless manner. Now she was surprised to hear that the cutlery that they were using was made of silver, and even Mrs. Darling's daughter was surprised to hear that they were using silver cutlery for everyday eating. और ये finally लेकिन वो jump करती है, वो देखना नहीं चाहती है. The narrator decided that she could not stay anymore. The address was correct. The narrator didn't want to remember it anymore. इसलिए वो jump करती है और jump करके वो उसको avoid करती है उस situation को कि हम नहीं देखें उस cutlery को because it was giving him more pain than excitement or pleasure. She had wait for my mother? No, I must go. I walked to the door. The drawer opened.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is not
coming clearly.
Again, the voice problem.
Yes, ma'am, from the beginning.
Okay. Let's
From the beginning, ma'am.
समझ में आया. I will repeat it क्योंकि एग्जाम देना है तुम लोग को and your understanding is नहीं समझ में आया. Now my voice is audible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
मैम ऑडिबल है लेकिन क्लियर नहीं है. Yes, ma'am. Yes, now is it clear?
अब तो थोड़ा भी सुनाई.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it clear to all of you?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
It's better now.
It is better. अच्छा चलो. Just tell me from which point you were unable to understand or you were unable to move on with the story.
50%.
नहीं, which point? कहाँ से नहीं समझ में आया? तो वो point से हम फिर से समझा देंगे. Doing the screen sharing, you can ask me. हम उसको brief up कर देंगे उस story को. कहाँ से story का link तुम्हारा गड़बड़ हो गया? Can anyone tell me? Or shall I proceed with the story? Okay, let me proceed. The narrator is indirectly hinting to the girl that although she missed all those things which are being used by the domestic Darling's daughter, but now she is more interested in those things. Why? Those things, those objects look beautiful only if it is kept at the original place or not at this place. So वो उसको जंप करती है, उसको देखती है, and she is also recollecting those memories related to it. Now when it is arranged in a tasteless manner, she prefers to move from that place and
Your voice is not coming.
Your voice is not coming.
मैम नहीं आ रही है आपकी आवाज।
मैम बिल्कुल बंद हो गई।
Ma'am, not a little one.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Still, it is the
मैम
same problem.
एग्जिट हो गई।
मैम अनम्यूट है। मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल भी।
पहले थी म्यूट।
हाँ अब अनम्यूट।
हेलो मैम। मैम का हेडफोन खराब है हमको लगता। आई थिंक सो।
अरे हेडफोन
यार
लगाए
मैम
ही
सिस्टम
नहीं।
वॉइस क्यों नहीं
तो
यूज
मैम
कर?
वैसे ही पढ़ाती हैं।
नहीं लगा मैम का डिवाइस है।
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ
मैम बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
आई थिंक
मैम का
मैम हम लोग
माइक
को
ही
नहीं
नहीं
सुन रही। स्क्रीन कौन गंदा
माइक-
कर रहा है?
अरे
सीरियसली
यार अब कौन आ गया?
यार इसका नेम
आवाज
पहचानने
नहीं
का
आ
कोई तरीका?
भाई बेवकूफ है क्या? कौन है बे?
यार जो भी है तू एक बार नाम बतला। तू गंदा कर रहा
राजकुमार
कौन
सुनो ना।
स्क्रीन गंदा कर रहा है?
अरे राजकुमार
कंडीशन
नाम
लगाओ
बता
ना।
रहे तो हम लोग कुछ नहीं उखाड़ पाएंगे।
अरे कंडीशन लगाओ ना भाई, जो स्क्रीन गंदा की है।
नाम बता रहे ना, साले को स्कूल में बुला दे।
अरे रिकॉर्ड होता है भाई, ऐसे मत
अरे
बोलो।
राजकुमार,
रिकॉर्ड होता है।
आराम से,
Message
आराम
ma'am
से।
that we are not that she is not audible. If she is not able to hear our voice, just text her.
भाई कोई लिखा है थैंक यू बेटा, कोई लिखा है थैंक यू बेटा। हो सकता
अच्छा।
अभिराज कौन है?
अभिराज है, उसका बर्थडे है आज। हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल दो भाई साहब।
बर्थडे है।
हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी
अभिराज।
बर्थडे भाई।
यार हैप्पी
अरे
बर्थडे।
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
भाई,
तो
हैप्पी
चुप
बर्थडे।
ना।
अरे लेकिन जो वो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है यार।
मैम की तो ऑडियो ही नहीं आ रही।
Guys, text
अरे
ma'am
रिकॉर्डिंग
that
है यूट्यूब पे
not
जाएगा
audible.
भाई।
Her voice is not coming to us. Just text her.
हम लोग के वजह से यूट्यूब वालों को कंटेंट मिल जाएगा हम लोग के वजह से। फिर
मैम पढ़ाई जा रही है। मैम
ऐसे तो
मैम,
मैम
वो गलत
पढ़ाते
है।
जाएंगे आगे। We are not able to get it. कोई टेक्स्ट
मैम,
कर
वो
दो
गलत
यार
फहमी हो
मैम
गया।
को। मैम आगे पढ़ाई जा रही हैं।
हेलो यार लगता है सर्वर इशू है क्या कुछ?
मैम को पर्सनली मैसेज भी किए हैं, फिर भी मैम देखेंगी तब तो।
वाला
We
कुछ
can
या
do
कुछ
something. We can disconnect and reconnect in this meeting. Maybe there's some server issue, so we can reconnect.
I'm also saying the same.
Just leave the meeting and rejoin it. Maybe the voice will start coming.
It's not our problem. It's problem from ma'am.
But Shaurya ma'am
it's
server
the
is
server issue. Maybe it's some server issue, so we can leave and rejoin the meeting.
सर्वर इशू मैम का ना हुआ है तो मैम ना रिज्वाइन करेंगी।
मैम को एक बारी कॉल करे क्या?
हाँ
नहीं,
करो।
अच्छा
एक
कर लो
मिनट।
कर लो।
क्योंकि मैम का माइक म्यूटेड नहीं है।
It is unmuted. Get the address.
Coming, it's coming. Ma'am's voice is coming.
Comment.
And now your voice is coming.
Okay.
मैम तब से आपकी आवाज
But
नहीं
not
आ रही।
clear.
मैम बहुत देर से आवाज बंद थी आपकी।
Just repeat some of the slides again. Now, see, from here, narrator sees he decides to go suddenly. वो जैसे ही वो बोलती है कि हाँ एंटी वो दिखाते हैं, but all of a sudden she decides I must करके वो अवॉइड करती है उस इंटरेक्शन को और जल्दी से वो वहां से चल देती है. She had her hand on the don't you want to wait for my mother? No, I must go. I walk to the door. Then by the time she puts it forward, I can find my own way. लेकिन वो बोली कि नहीं नहीं तुम छोड़ दो. I will go find my own way. As I walk down the first passage, I heard the clothes. तो उसकी आवाज सुनती है. उसकी आवाज होती है. उसकी आवाज ऐसे ही सुनती है. तो फिर mother once asked her cutleries and silver spoons. Why? Because or maybe inside the house once related to those cutleries. Some task.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Because I looked up the name plate on the street. It said, I'm in at number 46. Okay.
Ma'am, we are not able to understand what you are saying.
वॉइस नहीं आ रहा मैम आपका.
Yes.
मैम
See, from my side, every fitting is correct. Connections correct. Connections है. Everything is there. जब तो video से
But your voice is not clear for us.
Yeah. Here. I don't know why my voice is not so audible to all of you.
Ma'am, which device are you using, ma'am? Ma'am, which device are you using?
नहीं वो डिसाइड करती है कि that she must forget the address. That she decides to forget the address because the only reason is amidst those things she did not find herself very comfortable. और जो पर्पस था उसका वहां जाने का, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देखने का और परसीव करके लॉस्ट मदर को रिकलेक्ट करने का, वो very पर्पस गेट्स डिफिकल्ट. She decides that the best thing she can do from the nostalgic feeling that she is getting वो पार देती है and she moves ahead. ठीक है, तो now at this point the story ends. Coming back to the story once again, I want to know what are the three important things that you learn from the story. Because only from these 3 points all your answers will be based. यदि 3 value points है story का, चलना होगा. Can anyone tell me what are those 3 value points from the story? ये बहुत important point है story का और ये हम लोग को समझ में आ रहा है. Can anyone tell me? Yes.
Ma'am, repeat once again.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Please, ma'am, repeat once again.
The story tells you very important value points. जो मैसेज है, जो लर्निंग है तुम्हारी, वो स्टोरी के एंड में तुमको क्या ज्ञान मिलता है जो ये कहानी को पढ़ते हैं. एंड जो आंसर बताओगे यही आंसर तुम्हारा नट है, तुम्हारा पॉइंट है, जिसके कोई भी आंसर रिवॉल्व करेगा. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट आर दोस 3 वैल्यू पॉइंट्स?
Ma'am, we can't hear the question clearly.
I just want to know what did you learn from the story? What did you learn from the story? Now is the question clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now give me the answer. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Why you are quiet? Everyone. In what sense was? In the sense that was everyone, in the sense that narrator lost her mother. ठीक है? Narrator lost her mother. So this way narrator was not at all good because it points out at the miseries and the separation and the loss of near and dear ones. This is one thing that was harmed everyone. Second, number 2 is unethical behavior. Unethical behavior. ठीक है? Now, what is unethical behavior? What is unethical behavior? Unethical behavior. Yes or no? क्या है? Was harmed everyone. Second was unethical behavior. Anyone tell me what else do you learn? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो बताओ जल्दी से क्या आंसर होगा. Is the question clear? Question clear है ना? I am asking कि what did you learn from the story? 2 points I have already given. Number 1, wars must be avoided as the narrator lost her mother. Now second point I have told you कि unethical behavior. Now what was unethical behavior? Can anyone explain me what is unethical behavior? Can anyone explain me what is unethical behavior? आवाज आ रही है?
मैम चैट बॉक्स देखिए.
Yes, I am looking at the chat box. What you all are asking? What is unethical behavior? ये यहाँ पर relate हो रहा है Mrs. Darling के लिए. ठीक है? I am talking about Mrs. Darling's behavior. What did she do? Can you see, all of you, Mrs. Darling's behavior? Okay, Srishti, you have given the right answer. That falls of what is considered morally right for a person. Okay, you are right up to some point, but यहाँ पर तुमको mention करना होगा that what you need to mention the unethical behavior that the story highlights, that Mrs. Darling is taking advantage of the you can say simplicity, you can say being naive, you can say being innocent of